Hello, salam alaikum.
How are you?
Fine, fine. How are you? Nice to see you.
I am fine. Thank you very much for your time. A very happy Eid Mubarak. In fact, I would say, happy nize mutlo beram yar dil yoram. So I'll wish you Eid Mubarak in your language.
Hey, Wala. I'm saying also to Pakistan, Eid Mubarak.
Thank you very much. Thanks. And of course, we have
all of you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Millions of people in Pakistan want to know about your personal life. You know, I had questions about people asking about your religion. Of course, that's a very personal matter. But since the drama relates to Islamic history and all, and whatnot, so I know you are a Muslim, alhamdulillah. So you were born in Turkey to start?
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Born in Turkey, yeah?
Yeah, I born in Turkey. I born in Istanbul.
Are you married?
Not yet.
Oh. So, can I say that is a good news for your female fans?
No. No.
So the one lucky girl whom you are going to marry, you have already decided. So you're already committed. Am I right?
Yeah, I have somebody in my life from long time.
So, Cengiz, you were a professional sportsman, if that's correct, yeah?
I was play basketball. 10 years I was play basketball. I think 3 years I was play professional. Then after I injured, then I start modeling. Then I'm start acting, and I'm here in front of you guys.
You are a superstar here. Everyone knows you. Everyone loves you. So when are you visiting Pakistan now, Cengiz?
I would like to visit Pakistan after everybody's safe, because already all around the world has a pandemic moment. Inshallah, hopefully soon.
Inshallah, very soon, inshallah. And you have any plans to work in Pakistani drama or Pakistani film?
Yes, why not? First of all, it's important, the story. I have to see myself in the story, and I have to see that character fit on me. If it's gonna make me excited, why not?
Have you also watched from season 1 till the last episode, this drama in one go?
Yeah. From the beginning, I watched the TV serial. The every episode, I'm checking what I did, what I didn't do. So I'm looking to myself, where I did wrong, for learning.
Okay, let's talk about this axe. Of course, everyone else in the drama was using a sword. You were using an axe because of a very obvious reason that historically Turgut used to use this weapon.
Actually not. Just that's my choice. Nobody knows, the Turgut is using the axe. That's my choice. So I said because every character must have different, the different specialty in the story. That's why I choose that, and I'm started working on it, because everybody using sword,
Yeah.
I don't want to be usual. That's why I want to use the axe. I work so much. I train so much with the axe.
So for how
Only
long
for
you had to
giving
practice using this
the more
axe?
pleasure to audience.
For how long you had to practice this?
Almost every day before starting the TV serial. 3 months every day. I riding horse every day. I was training with weapons.
Okay, so this is very interesting that it was your choice. You were not asked by the director or producer, because little bit of history which is available tells us that Turgut used to use axe instead of swords, and it was called the heaviest axe of that time. Where it was your choice, that is very interesting. So did you hurt yourself anytime during the shoot?
Many times. One time I break my elbow. Everybody knows that. I'm throwing the axe. I'm swing the axe. Then when one choreography, I'm the throw my axe. When I want to hold it again from my back like this, then I couldn't hold it. Then it's the fall axe on my elbow. Then I broke it.
Oh.
Even I didn't talk about
very
that.
heavy.
I cut
very heavy.
times
It's very
myself.
heavy, and you need muscles for that. To pick it. Yeah, it's not that light. You know, it's very heavy.
Yeah, because the.
Yeah, kind of, a little bit.
Yeah.
Your favorite character of the drama?
My favorite character of drama is Turgut because I love so much.
Apart from
That's why I played the Turgut.
We all love it.
After Turgut, Turgut is favorite of
Because
millions.
nobody know him. Now, many people know him, and I'm really proud of that because I think I did great job, and the people appreciate that, and they respect that. That's very important for me.
Okay, so you were three friends. So Bamsi and Dugan. So in real life, you are good friends with Bamsi or Dugan?
Yes, we are good friends. We are still keep in touch. All the time we are talking, we are meeting when we are not busy, and we are keeping touch. All the time we are arrange something, we are fishing.
Your favorite part of the drama or favorite scene of the drama?
My favorite scene of the drama, I think I have many, but I can tell you this when